Welcome, in front of me I have REALME 8, and today I will show you how we can connect AirPods to this smartphone. So first you have to open the case of your AirPods, then grab it like that, and on the back case, in the charging case, on the back of it, you can find the power key. So you have to click and hold it, so just make it, and you have to take a look on the indicator. When it's blinking, you have to release that key and put back your AirPods. Don't close your case. Open the Bluetooth settings on the REALME 8, enable Bluetooth, and then simply click on the AirPods on the available devices list. Then click pair another time, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.